How to check barcode result and barcode image in Olivetti PR2 Plus printer.
Today we will check in Olivetti printer before calibration, scanner calibration, barcode reading or not, or how to check barcode image after scanning. So first, just type here toolbox. Demo. This screen will appear. The printer will detect here. Here the printer is showing printer device detected. Then select optical recognition. Then select rear tab because your barcode is in rear position, back side of the passbook. Then here select the option BC barcode 1D and 2D. Then select this option scan and process here. Then insert the passbook. Scan, the result will show here and image will show here. So you have to check in the first line BC1D, some value is showing here. If in the first line is showing bad, then you confirm your passbook, your barcode is not reading properly. Then you have to go for scanner calibration. At least 10 passbook you have to check. If 8 passbook is properly scanned and showing your barcode value, then it means your barcode is reading. So no need to calibrate the scanner. Second, you can zoom this barcode like this. Click the cursor here, and zoom it. And you can check the barcode scan quality image. Second, here the process option is here. So again it will show the value. If here show no code and bad, it means barcode is not reading. If the black lines come here, then you have to go for the scanner calibration. Otherwise, calibration not required. Thank you.
Please subscribe, like and share for more videos.